So I wanted to make a quick video about the ILV token, where I think it could go over this next bull run. This isn't going to be some like super hype video. I really want to actually manage expectations a little bit. So let's get over to this chart. So this is the Illuvium token. If you've been around for a few years during the last bull market when it came out, the token went up to about almost $1,900. Now for a lot of this bear market, we've been sitting between really $30 and $50. You can see the all-time low was $29. Oh yeah, all-time high right here, $19.11. And if you've been accumulating this whole time like me, I know you're excited to see where things go, but don't go expecting that this is going to go back up to this 1900, because the supply at the time that this went to 1900 was significantly lower. What you really need to look at is the market cap chart right here. So if you look at this, we peaked out at a market cap at around $1.2 billion. And over the past few months, we've been seeing some bullish action, and it got up to about 700 million, which is just over half of the market cap of its all-time high. So again, don't want to scare you here, but if it just went back to its all-time high for a market cap, we'd only be looking at a token price of, I don't know off the top of my head, maybe around $225, maybe $250. And in order to go back to that all-time high of like 1900, we'd be looking at a total market cap of, I don't know, 20 times what we hit in the past. So one token that I like to compare it to would be AXS. This is the token for Axie Infinity. Like, this was the GameFi token that really, kicked things off last bull run. It was the only real playable game that caught on to the mainstream. Their market cap got up to about 11 billion. And I think ILV could definitely match that, if not go much higher. So let's say 11 billion here. For Illuvium, got up to, let's call it 1.1 billion to make the math a little easier. So if we went to our same max market cap for Illuvium, like I said, we were looking at around a $225 token. Then if we went up to the market cap that AXS reached the last time, we'd be looking at about a 10x from there, which would bring us to over $2,000 a token. But there's a lot that needs to happen to hit that sort of market cap. We need the hype to come back. We need this game to come out. We need this game to be successful. Axie Infinity had millions of daily active users. One big advantage that they had that Illuvium won't have is that they were playable on mobile. So almost anywhere in this world, there were people playing this game, where for Illuvium, it is going to be limited to the people who have the hardware capable of playing this game. But looking at what's going on, I think it is possible we could get back to that all-time high, approaching $2,000 a coin, but I definitely don't think it's a guarantee. Personally, for me, I'm putting in my head $1,000 a token, and then anything that happens after that is just going to be bonus to me. As many of you know, I've been in ILV since the token originally came out, and I've been accumulating this whole time. So even $1,000 token for me is going to be fantastic. If you're just finding Illuvium now and you see that it did almost a 3x over the past 3 or 4 months, I don't think it's too late for you. You're actually catching a decent dip right now. We went up to around $120. We're back down around 90 right now. But anyways, none of this is financial advice. Obviously, do your own research. I just wanted to make a quick video to point out that you should be looking at the market cap, not necessarily just the price, and just to help manage expectations a little bit. We may not get to that previous all-time high, but I also don't think it's out of reach, especially if GameFi really catches on, over this next year and a half. But anyways, I hope that was a helpful video for some of you out there. And again, I hope I did the math right, because otherwise this would be a horrible video and I probably wouldn't even be posting it. But thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.